I'm Tracy McClelland with NursingSuccessSystem.com, and I'm here at my own Health Career Center, and it's called Ucardi Health Career Center. This is my baby, and it has been for the last 7 years. I want to take you on a quick tour of the facility. It's where we started many years ago, and we have serviced, you would not believe how many people we have serviced out of this little room. When I take you on a tour in just a moment, you're not going to believe the amount of money I've been able to make inside of these four walls, and the things that people have come to us to get done or to provide some type of service for them, health related. So if you've ever thought about owning your own nursing business, being a nursing entrepreneur, you should consider owning your own health career training center. So come with me as I take you on a tour. Come on. Welcome to Ucardi Health Career Center. Inside of Ucardi Health Career Center, over the last 7.5 years, we have helped so many people. We've inspired many, we have taught many, and we have laughed and had an awesome time and helped people get jobs here in our community and 60 miles away from us as well. I want to show you some of the pictures of the people that we've been able to help over the years. I don't want to take them off the wall, but this was my very first class back in 2007, my first CNA class. And then this was my second group, and my third group, and my fourth group. And then, oh my goodness, after that, we can't even put them all in frames. We've had so many people that we've serviced and helped find employment. In my career center, and as I teach all of the other nurses, you always want to have a very fresh reception area. A place for people to sit and fill out application, and this is it. Over on the far side there is a small little desk and cabinets where Mr. Leroy talks to a lot of people and has also spoke to many of you. You just wouldn't believe the deals he has been able to work out with people sitting in that little pink chair over there. But you can notice there's a lot of clutter, and it's because the facility has gotten a little too small for the amount of business that we do. Let me show you the rest of the facility before I tell you the good news. Okay, so over to your right here is our clinical lab. You have to have several gowns for changing, to teach the students about changing out patients. You got to have some changing clothes for them to teach them how to give the patients options for changing clothes. Our very used electric bed, so you don't have to have brand new equipment to do some very good training. Okay, so you notice you got your secondhand clock, your overbed table, your bedside table. You want to make the area look like a lab area. It's all within four walls. Right behind you there, you'll see all of the boxes. We do a lot of things out of our career center. We do job development training. We do NCLEX reviews. We do PALS. We do ACLS. And what don't we do? We do a lot of different things. You see the scale, some of the equipment that we use inside of the CNA program and in some of the other training facilities as well. Now this video has all the down and dirty stuff. I'm going to show you under the table. We have really just outgrown. We got boxes and boxes and boxes of equipment and supplies and stuff that we have to pull out when we're getting ready to have a class. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Alcohol pads, teaching stethoscope. Lots and lots of stuff. Filing cabinet. I want to show you, well, I guess nothing significant about a filing cabinet, but if you're doing training in multiple cities and multiple areas, sometimes you may want to color code your files. And it looks like they've changed out a lot of the files that were color coded, so no need to look at that. It is going to be important that you have a lot of vanilla folders. For every student that comes to your center, you're going to need vanilla folders. Also, don't forget about marketing. We do a lot of marketing here, so you're going to need to have a regular account at Sam's so you can buy things in wholesale. You're going to need your full mannequin, makeshift curtain. Okay, so there's a lot of things you're going to need. CPR mannequins, tables. Okay, we use a data projector for our visual aid for students to show videos. You're going to need the storage cabinet. This is my little plush quarters presently, till I give you the good news. And we're just kind of crowded. I want to show you all the boxes and stuff that are up against the walls. And it just kind of shows that we have really outgrown our wonderful facility here. And we need more space. We need more space. Okay? Here are more pictures of students. And periodically we change these out. And you'll notice they are all wearing our school colors. It looks blue, but it's really purple. You'll see personality in our students. They love each other. This is kind of zooming on them. They're really being silly, but they really love each other. Here's another picture that I'm so crazy about. This is a group. You'll notice a lot of diversity in the students that we have here. He was hilarious. So if you just look at some of the diversity that we've had and that we've enjoyed for the last 7 years, and you're going to enjoy the exact same thing in your career center. Okay? Ready? Let's go to the back where our computer lab is. Our computer lab also houses the coffee table, the microwave, and we've just made the area where people can learn very, very comfortable. Every student who's ever came to our Health Career Center knows that they are welcome to come back, and they do. If they came here for CPR every 2 years, like clockwork, they choose to come back to Ucardi. And it's because when they come through the door, we give them a lot of love, a lot of consideration, and we make sure they get what they came here for. So you give good quality, people will continuously come back to you. And this is our little lab. You would not believe the amount of money you can make having a computer lab in your Health Career Center. Every chair is worth at least $30,000 to you. I know you're thinking, come on. Well, if you join, or when you join, the Nursing Success System HTC certification event, you're going to find out how every one of these chairs over the course of so many years can be worth a lot of money to you. It has been my bread and butter. Not just this, we do a lot of other things as well, but this is a really important area. You do need a computer lab in your, and we don't buy very many brand new computers. We buy refurbished, okay? So you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a computer lab. You are going to need a fax machine, printer, because you're going to do a lot of printing. So eventually you're going to have to invest in a good printer. That's going to be important. One bathroom. It'd be nice to have several, but we only have one. So for the last 7 years, we've been doing bathroom patrol twice a day. Do what you have to do. So if you can be blessed with more than one, then take it. But this is our Ucardi, the one that we have known for the last 7.5 years. Now, I have a big surprise for you. I can't tell it to you right now, but stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to show you our big surprise.